cracked. Now we are not staying here, and people also saying not to stay in this house. So to demolish this house, it will cost more. And for temporary, we are staying down. One house is there, but I prefer to have behind the house one shelter so that I can stay nicely. And for that, I'm requesting Don Bosco for making this shelter.
So for the time being, did you get any assistance from Don Bosco Society now?
Oh, Don Bosco has given me the GI seat. 4 bundle GI seat he has already given. So by using that, I want to make it 10%.